What's going on, guys? Tonight we're going to take a look at the driver information center on a 2017 Chevy Silverado. Here's your control pad that operates the driver information screen. You have your down, up arrow, left, right, and then enter. So these controls right here control everything on the screen that you need to do. Your reset, scrolling through all the options, the different menus. Alright, first up you have your speed. You can have the miles per hour showing just like that, or you can toggle to the right, which is here. You see the speed sign, you can activate that. Kind of like the look of that right there, just the speed. Next we have your trip A, your trip B. If you want to reset the mileage or the fuel mileage there, you can just toggle to the right and then hit enter and reset, and then boom. Next up you have your fuel range. There's 124 miles estimated remaining to empty. Next up you have your oil life, 48% remaining. Tire pressure. Next up we have the fuel economy. This isn't accurate just because I've got oversized tires on this truck. For the most part, I would say, right now the average right now is showing 17. I'm probably getting 15 and a half. So it's a little bit off just because it hasn't been calibrated yet. But if you toggle to the right, you can change it to the last 50, last 400, or you can reset all the scores. So we'll just take a look real quick in case you're wondering. The fuel mileage for a 6.2 liter V8, 16.4, so I would say it's probably closer to 15, maybe 14 and a half there. And then if we toggle it to the last 400, 14.8, so probably 12. A lot of highway, but also a lot of city, a lot of warming the truck up. Next we have the transmission fluid temperature. If we scroll down, we have our off-road. This is your pitch and roll. If you turn the wheel here, you can see, well, it's hard to see because your wheel's in the way, but you can see right here the degrees. The wheels are turning up front. And then we have the blank page if you don't want anything at all to show up there. If we scroll to the left, there's some other things here. If you scroll down to audio, you can change your satellite radio, AM, FM, all that good stuff right here. You can just scroll through. Your phone calls, messages, all that stuff will show up here. Next up we have the navigation. Looking at directions or any of that stuff. You can change your units if you want US or metric. Info pages right here is going to be the active pages that you can set that shows up on your screen. So you can see right here I've got fuel economy selected. I have transmission fluid, off-road, blank page, speed, trip A and B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure. You can go through here. I mean, there's so many features here. Some of them are pointless, but some of them are pretty neat. If I want to see how many engine hours I have, I've had this truck about a year, so scroll through and find engine hours, 420. So not too bad. So we also have a timer. I'll show you that. Just go ahead and select these other ones. Your timer, there's the speed limit. Let's go back down there. You can also turn on a speed warning. That is a quick little overview of the driver information center on a 2017 Chevy Silverado. Anyway, thanks for watching.